How to build credit with Chime Credit Builder Card. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're trying to rebuild or build your credit, there's one tool that's gaining serious popularity, which is the Chime Credit Builder Visa Card. In today's video, I'm breaking down on how you can use the Chime Credit Builder Card to build your credit the smart way. Even if you're starting from zero, we'll cover how it works, how to qualify, what makes it different from traditional credit cards, and a simple plan to raise your credit score month by month. All of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. First things first, let's talk about on what is the Chime Credit Builder Card. Now, the Chime Credit Builder Card is a secured Visa credit card designed to help you build credit without interest, annual fees, or a credit check. Yup, there's no credit check to apply, no hidden fees, and no interest charges. Basically, it works with your own money, and Chime reports payments to all three major credit bureaus, which is Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. That means your on-time payments and responsible use actually contribute to building your credit history. Now, who is it for? This card is perfect if you're new to credit and have no score yet, if you've made past mistakes and want to rebuild your score, if you want to boost your credit without the risk of going in debt, and if you just want a simple low-risk way to improve your credit profile. There are no minimum credit score required to apply, just a few qualifications we'll cover in a minute. So basically, how does this work? Let's break it down step by step. First, you want to open up a Chime spending account. First, you need a Chime spending account. This is where your money will come from to fund the card. Second is you want to set up direct deposit. You'll need to receive at least $200 in direct deposits into your Chime spending account within a 12-month period to unlock the credit builder card. Now, this could be from your job, from government benefits, and lastly from gig economy platforms like Uber, Instacart, and etc. Once you meet the requirement, you'll see an invitation in the application to apply. Again, there's no credit check required. From there, you then want to add money to your credit builder card. Here's where it gets interesting. Unlike a regular credit card with a bank-assigned credit limit, you control your own limit by involving or moving money onto the credit builder card. Whatever amount you move becomes your available balance. For example, if you move around $500, you have $500 to spend on your card. That also means that there's no risk of overspending or going in debt. Now, how does this help you build credit? Chime reports the following data to all three bureaus every month: your on-time payments, your credit utilization, which stays low because of how the card works, and lastly, your account history. And basically, since there's no fixed credit limit, Chime doesn't report a utilization ratio, which can actually help you score because you're not penalized for using a large percentage of your limit. Basically, as long as you use the card regularly, pay off your balance on time, and stay active, you'll see gradual improvements in your credit score over time. Now let's talk about on how you can use the card effectively. I'm going to give you 4 rules. If your goal is to actually build credit, here are 4 key habits to follow. Number 1, you want to use it for small daily purchases. Think of gas, groceries, or a streaming subscription. You don't need to make big charges to build credit, just show consistent, responsible use. Second, you want to pay it off every month. Chime gives you the option to turn on safer credit building, which automatically pays your balance using the funds you set aside, so you never miss a payment. Once again, if you go ahead and put $500 as an example, Chime Credit Builder Card will then go ahead and take that deposit to pay your credit card. The third rule is you don't want to go inactive. Using the card occasionally is better than not at all. Inactive accounts won't help your score much. And fourth, you want to track your progress. You can just use free credit monitoring tools like Credit Karma or Experian to track your credit score month by month. You should start seeing improvements within 60 to 90 days. Now, there's no fees, no interest, and what's the catch? Honestly, there isn't really one. There's no annual fee, no interest, no late fees because you pre-fund the card. Once again, $500, it will then automatically take that payment. You have no credit check to apply, and lastly, no minimum deposit requirement like most secured cards. Chime earns money from Visa swipes fees paid by merchants, not from charging you penalties or interest. Now, some real resorts. How much can it boost your score? Every credit situation is different, but many users report score increases of 30 to 70 points within 3 to 6 months. Some even hit 700s after consistent use and combining it with other positive habits like paying bills on time and reducing other debts. The key is consistency. The longer you use the card properly, the more positive payment history you build, and that's gold for your credit score. Now, some bonus tips to build credit faster. If you want to supercharge your credit building with Chime, you want to try to add other trade lines like a phone bill or utility to your credit report using tools like Experian Boost. You want to keep your credit mix healthy. Eventually consider adding a traditional card or auto loan. You want to avoid hard inquiries. Don't apply for multiple credit lines at once. You want to check your credit card reports regularly to spot any errors that could hurt your score. Now, how to apply. As a quick recap. Basically, all you have to do is to open a Chime spending account. From there, you want to set up at least $200 in direct deposits. You can get this from your jobs and more. You want to wait for the invite after the second requirement, and from there, you then have to activate the card and move money to start using it. You want to use it wisely, pay on time, and repeat. So that's how you build credit with the Chime Credit Builder Card. It's simple, safe, and beginner friendly, and one of the few cards out there that's actually help you improve your credit without charging interest or fees. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and share this with someone who's looking to rebuild or start building their credit this year. If you got any questions about Chime or other credit tools, drop them in the comments below and I'll help however I can. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.